This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, applesauce. With Hanukkah starting in 2 nights, all Jewish households will smell like oil. Deep fried goodness. There will be a lot of food cooked in oil. One of the most popular Hanukkah offerings is the potato latke. The latke is traditionally served with sour cream and applesauce. Everyone has a preference, except for those special people who love it with both toppings. I'm special. If you want to level up, combine them. Sour cream and applesauce on your latke. Thank me later. Anyone who's made latkes knows it is a labor of love. It takes hours to make, but it's worth every minute. If you're putting in all that work to make a homemade latke, isn't it worth having delicious homemade applesauce? It takes no time compared to the main attraction, but it will make it much better than any store-bought applesauce could. You can make it up to a couple weeks before. I make homemade applesauce all year, but it's extra special at Hanukkah. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic.
All right, so if you're going to make the latkes from scratch, which you should, then you should make the applesauce from scratch too. Yep. Let's get the latkes and let's eat.
And Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and Joyeux Noël.